Looking to score the best deal on Hostinger? You're in the right place. I'm Mr. Coupon, and I've got a solid trick that most people totally miss. There's a special link waiting for you in the description. Just click it, and boom, you're on Hostinger's best live sale page. You'll get up to 75% off, plus a free domain and 3 extra months of hosting. Sweet, right? Now, once you choose your hosting plan, just apply the coupon code HOSTINGPROMO on the cart page to grab an extra 10% off. Here's the deal. If you go with the 1-year plan, it drops to $43.09 after the code, but renews at $153.00, which is a big jump later on. Instead, go for the 4-year plan. It comes down to just $129.17 with the coupon, and there's no price hike for the full 4 years. That's how you really save, not just today, but for the long run. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who might need hosting. Let's save smart together.